Okay, first of all, we look at the SPM questions. This is SPM 2011. This is SPM 2006. I want to ask, do you have the problem on tell the characteristic? I tell you, I have. Okay, tell you honestly, I have. I really had to memorize the image. Okay, and I really had to memorize the formula, okay, but memorize the words in characteristic, really hard for me. But you can see, no matter lens or no matter mirror, they will ask the characteristic of the image. So I have my own way lah. I just use a 3-letter KFC. Then I can determine the characteristic. Okay, so you might learn before or you might not, because last year I just teach 4BR. I taught 4BR only. And some of you come from Dahlia and got class 5A or 5C or not? Anyone come from 5A and 5C? Can you tell me? Me. One. Oh, Penny. Okay, one. Oh, Jin. Okay. Okay, yay. Good. We got 2. All right, so now, so how to do this? How to remember this? We will start from here. Then, what is this? After you know what is KFC, then it's like a piece of cake for you. This is also KFC. Then name this phenomenon and state one characteristic of image. So once you can draw this kind of question would be piece of cake for you. So you can see this is mirror, magnify the image. This is lens, magnify the image. And how to answer this? Magnification. And how to, this is 2015 lenses. So this is the only questions that 4 marks questions that you no need to write any words. You just draw the ray diagram, then you will get 4 marks. This is the only questions. No need write any. No need write any sentences. Need to label. Then how to choose. This is called decision making. Decision making. So in exam, decision making questions got 2, which is number 9 and number 10. You choose one of it. 9 would be Form 4. 9 would be Form 4 topic. 10 would be Form 5 topic. You will have 2 types of decision making questions and 1 modification questions. Okay, so I will guide you. I will treat you like first time doing this. I'll guide you from beginning to the end. I know you might be very familiar with the format already. So let's revise one more time. All right, so now we look at this module first, this hands-out first. Look at the grid. Okay, first of all, we need to know convex mirror, concave mirror, concave lens and convex lens, how to draw them. Okay, so we will see that at the center of all condition, all situation. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You might see the dotted lines here. Okay, the dotted lines here is the line perpendicular to this horizontal line. Okay, what is this horizontal line? This horizontal line called principal axis. Principal axis. So when I say draw principal axis, I'm saying draw the horizontal line. Then draw this. Normally we call it is as normal. But here is the reflection or the refraction part. Okay, for mirror, convex and concave mirror is like okay, so convex and concave mirror. We say this is a concave mirror and this is a convex mirror. Okay, so how do we get it? Cave means it will curve inside. So we can erase this part. Then erase this part. Then convex mirror, it will pop up. So we will erase another part. So now, let's draw the principal axis. Principal axis means the horizontal line that passes through the center of the mirror. Okay, then since we know it's mirror, so the center will be here, center. So mirror, the center will be here. Okay, so concave means curve inside. Cave, curve inside. Curve inside. Means the back would be opaque. So we say this is opaque. Opaque. Opaque means not transparent at all. 100% not transparent. Okay. So this one is opaque. Of course, this is very curved. So actually we will add a line here that normal to the principal axis. We use this line as the part of reflection. Okay, so now this is the center. Then in between center and the mirror, on the principal axis, halfway to the from center to the mirror, we will call it as F. So center to the mirror, halfway is F. Okay, so far can understand now. Convex means pop up. Pop up. Then concave means curve inside. Okay, this is very important so that we know where is the C and where is the F. Okay, okay, now look at this. So here got convex mirror and here got concave mirror. This is a principal axis, this is like normal. So convex mirror is like this. We no need to draw the big one. No need to draw the big one, we can just draw the small one enough. Small one, and see it curves inwards. Can see it curves inwards. Okay already. Okay. If possible, make it symmetry. Then concave. Convex means we look from left hand side. Left hand side means front. Right hand side here means back of the mirror. Okay, so same thing as concave mirror. Cave means we can see the cave. We can see the cave. So we draw the opaque here. Same thing in front of the mirror. Now we look at left. It's like left hand side, and it's like right hand side. So this is front and this is back. I don't need write all. You just need to remember left hand side is the front, right hand side is the back. Right. So now let's complete all of the mirror here. All of the because convex mirror only got one type of image. So I only draw one. But for concave mirror, if you put the object at different position, then you will get different types of mirror image. So let's draw. If possible, the tip of the curvy part. The tip of the curvy part, please draw on the normal line. Draw on the principal, in between the principal and the normal. Okay, let's complete the mirror first. Let's complete the mirror. Okay, done. If you have done, give me a green light. You just type G. You've got 8G, then I proceed. Thank you, Kyron. Thank you, Weihan. Thank you, Esther. Thank you, Huishi. Thank you, Min Hong. Thank you, Jin and Shen and Lucy. Okay, so let's proceed. Now, okay, I suddenly think of way so that I can use ruler. Please wait for me around 1 minute. I can transfer it into an image. Yeah, I didn't think it before. PDF to JPEG. Download. Count and paste. Extra. Yay, I got it. All right, so we will okay, so convex mirror. Okay, convex mirror. This is concave. C is also 2F. Yes, Chiron, very good. Then you will see left and right is different. Mirror, 1F is F, 2F is C. But for lens, this is a concave lens. Concave lens is like this. But if we don't draw this also can, we just draw like that. We just draw like open bracket. The ballet bracket. So it represents the concave. Convex is like this. If you don't want to draw the convex mirror, you just draw, close it. A mirror, convex lens, you just draw to close it. Now, okay, so now concave lens and convex lens. Concave lens, only one characteristic. Convex lens got a lot of characteristic. Okay, done. All right, so now let's draw the ray diagram. Yay, thank you. So why this one 2F is C? Because of 2F is the center of the mirror. Concave mirror is part of the circle. Convex mirror also part of the circle. Okay, so now how to draw the ray diagram? Actually, there are three ray diagram. Means when first is parallel to focus, parallel to principal axis, parallel to principal axis. Next, if the light passes through the center, then it will go through the center or go back from the center. Is FK, means from focus to parallel. So means when the light passes through either mirror or lens, actually we just look at the three light ray, then you will see the image form. Okay, so now we can look back to this one. Here 39 and 11. The light pass through lens and the light pass through the mirror. Mirror. Okay, now see, this is called KF. Okay, then this is called C. I should tell the mirror first. Now this is K. When the light passes through K, and K means parallel, then it will pass through to the focus. Okay, so KF. So this one correct. Then when the light passes through the center, when it hits the mirror, it will reflect back to the same way. So this is correct. Okay, this is KF, this is C. KF, parallel to the principal axis, then directly bend to the focus. goes through C, it will goes back C, reflects back, reflects. And this one, this is FK. When the light passes through the F, it will go parallel to the principal axis, like the balik lah. FK, like KF the balik FK lah. So which one is not drawn correctly? Nah, A, because when the light passes through center, it's supposed to reflect back to the C. So only C. But now you see this is C, CK, so wrong. We don't have CK, we only have KFC or FK. You can see that? KFC or FK. We don't have CK. CK is Calvin Klein. We don't have this. We only have makan. So now you can draw here K, then F. Then C, reflect back C. F, then it will be K. When the light pass from F, then it will reflect back to K. When the light pass K, then it will reflect back. Thank you, Jin. I get your heart. Right. Then next here, UVF. Yeah, I should use this blur case. KF, KF, then C, then F. So K. Thank you. Okay, then UVF. Thank you, Jin. Okay, what is U? U actually is object distance. Object distance. V is image distance. F is focal length. Object distance to the mirror or to the lens. Okay. So now we look at number 1. How is the light? Actually, we need all of this. We just need KFC done. Okay, so first, let's use your ruler. Draw a line to the normal. Okay, so this is K. So next is F. Next is F. You cannot draw like that, like not join. You must draw properly with proper angle. If not, they will sing it. Cannot like that also. Cannot like that. But must exactly go through the point. Goes through the point properly. Okay, so actually here we need to make a dotted line. But if you don't make also doesn't matter. Because behind the mirror, we suppose cannot see anything. So the light is like referring to the focus behind. Then it will reflect away by using this angle. You can see that by using this angle. So this is K and this is F. Okay, so this is K, this is F. Because the mirror reflects, so like that. So KF. It bends down, but reflect means reflect out, diverging. Then the next is, let's draw the C. KFC, right? KFC. C means when the light strikes towards the C and it will reflect back the same way. So because the light cannot pass through the mirror. So actually it's dotted line, but if you forgot also doesn't really matter. Okay, then next let's draw our image. Let me find, I like this. Okay, so the image is where image come from the intersect of the two light rays. Because you can see the blue light is KF, green light is C. So the two lights come from the tip of object. So the image will be the intersection of these two lights. Okay, so you can see the image is here. Okay, dotted line. Then we can write our characteristic. We got 3. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Number 1 is real or virtual. Number 2 is magnified or diminish. Number 3 is upright or inverted. Upright or inverted. Very good. Anything not sure, directly ask. Real means, so you can jot down here. Real image means the image can form on the screen like projector. Then virtual means the image cannot form on the screen. Okay, so our projector can project the image on the screen on the whiteboard, but the image inside the mirror cannot be posted on the screen. So for this one, we say it is virtual. Okay, another way also we can say virtual means form behind mirror. See, we suppose not seeing any image behind the mirror because opaque, opaque cannot see, suppose cannot see. So this image cannot be real, cannot be posted to form on the screen. Okay, so next you can see magnify or diminish. So compare with object. Since all of you learned the transformation in maths, you can see image is smaller than object, so we say diminish. And you can see both of them are on the same direction. You can see the same direction. Same direction means they are upright. Okay, upright. Okay, now let's look at number 1. This is U smaller than F means from mirror to focus point, this is focus point, so this is focal length. So you can see this is image distance, object distance. U is object distance. Object distance means the object is shorter than focal length. Okay, so now what should we do? Same thing, KFC. So K means strike a line, strike parallel to the mirror, then K, then F. After that, C, I use green. Directly from the tip, every time starts with from the tip of the object. Then make sure it's on the right angle, really intersect in between the line. Just KFC. So can you see that? So this is K, this is K, this is F, pass through F, then C. Then how do we get the image? Image is the intersection of KF and C, the blue light ray and the green light ray. But these two cannot intersect. How? So we extrapolate. Let's extrapolate. Okay, let's extrapolate. Let's extrapolate. Now can you see? Okay, so now you can see these two lines intersect. So the image is here. Okay, and since it's behind the mirror, so actually it is dotted line. And can you tell me what is the characteristic? 1, 2, 3. Just tell me real, virtual, RV, MD, QI. I want 3. Follow the sequence. R or V, M or D, U or I. I want 3. Try. Yay, Wei Han, very good. Any others? Chiron, the last two correct. Esther and large correct, but we need the word magnify. Yay, VMU. And VM. Yes, very good, VMU. So it's virtual. Okay, very good. Virtual. And large, we must use the word magnify. Okay, then upright. Very good. Concave is always virtual, not necessary. Later we check. Concave. Okay, so anyone not sure? So this is object and this is image. Okay, the image would be virtual, magnify, upright. Okay, so KFC, if not intersecting, intersecting. So we extrapolate. If not intersecting, we extrapolate another side. So we will see the intersecting part here. Now, number 2, U equals to F. So the object is directly on the F. You can see, so you trace it on the line. You can see the arrow. I purposely draw 1.5 grids so that when you compare, you can see the size. Obviously, this is 2 grids and 2 grids, more than 2 grids. So this is 1.5 only. So you can see the size, magnify or diminish. Okay, next, what should we do? Yes, K. Then F. Then C. Directly from the tip. Then you will see Aya. Not intersecting. Not intersect. Intersect 就是交叉，它们不能交叉，不交叉怎么办？我们就要extrapolate。好的 ，so we extrapolate。好，请你。extrapolate. Extrapolate. Okay. Extrapolate. Then you will find out. Yeah, correct. Okay, very good. You still remember. Okay. The light ray after the mirror should be dotted, but if you forgot, also doesn't matter. We don't count the marks here. So you will see, they still cannot intersect. How? Oh, it's because image forms in infinity. Image forms, this is object, this is image forms in infinity. So, what is the characteristic? We leave it first. But for sure it's virtual because it forms behind mirror. Supposedly we cannot see the image behind the mirror. Okay. And normally when it is virtual, it is upright. Sure, virtual is upright. But it's magnified or diminished, we leave it first. Next. Okay, next would be U is in between F and C. So U is here. U is in between F and C. Okay. So now same thing, K parallel. Then F. Then C. Then you will see, hey, they intersect already. Oh, I forgot to put arrow. arrow is the light come from the tip, pass through focus. Then the lights from center, from the tip pass through the center. KFC. Okay, then no need extrapolate. Haha. So now let's draw the image. Draw the image. Image must always touch the, except the infinity one, the image must always touch the principal axis. So it's like this. It's like this. Okay, it's like this. Okay, so next, what is the characteristic? So this is object, this is image. So number 1, 2, 3. So see, now the object is in front of the mirror. So it's real, Chiron. Now it's real. RMI, very good. So normally when it's real, it will be inverted. What is inverted? The direction opposite to each other. The direction of object and image opposite to each other, inverted. And it's magnified. Actually, it's a little bit more than half of the grid. Okay. So it's magnified. Okay, so now, okay, KFC, KFC. Then please draw yourself 4 and 5. KFC. I draw on my own, you draw on your own, then you check answer. But why the Form 4 textbook show the image form in front of the lens is virtual one? Yeah lah. Correct lah. I didn't say for lens, but I said for mirror only. You're right, you're right. Yeah, that's the confusing. Very good, Chiron. Now this is the copy and paste. There. Okay, if there are lens, means what? Means the light must pass through. This is transparent, this is concave lens. This is convex lens. The light must pass through. Means the image should form at the back. Image form at the back of lens. But this one, this is opaque. Opaque means the light must reflect back, cannot form behind. So if form behind, it's called virtual. Then this one, suppose form after the lens, at the back of the lens. But when the image form in front, then we say this is virtual because this is transparent, this is opaque. Okay, so later we will see what's the difference. Now your job is draw KFC for 4 and 5. Okay, then. If you get this, give me a green light. If you didn't still have something not so sure, give me a yellow light. One G, 2G. 3, 4. By the way, don't forget to drink water. Make sure you are hydrated. No, it's okay, please. Thank you. I like interaction. Okay, 5. If you have done, give me a G, give me a green light. If you have questions, you also can on your mic and ask. Ming Hong, are you here, Ming Hong? Yay, Astor, very good. Yeah, okay, so now if you look back to number 2, obviously you can see magnified, magnified. This is also magnified. Starts here, 2F or C at the same size. So magnify, 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 same size, then starts to diminish. Starts to diminish. Okay. Okay, so can I proceed to number 6? Anyone still need time? Tell me. No more. Okay, I'll proceed. Okay, only the number 6, the U from infinity, we use FKC. We use FKC. Means the light comes from infinity, 2 light rays. One is I like to use the 6 grids here and draw the line. I like to fix the the angle here. Then I proceed like that. F. F. Then K. F straight to the normal. Then K. K means parallel to the principal axis. Then C means the light comes from infinity to, and when it comes from infinity, it will be parallel. Here we are. It will be parallel to the F. Okay. So you can proceed it to I can proceed like that. So now this is F, K, then C. Means the light strikes through center, will reflect back the center. Okay, then where is the image? The intersecting point of the FKC, so the green and the blue lights. Okay, so like this one. Then where is image? Wait, where is object? Object from infinity. So this is image. So we'll use this as the objective mirror or the lens. Okay, so the image sure will be diminish. So since it's inverted means it is real. And then sure is diminish, smaller. Okay, so done. Then we can do this part already. I give you 1 more minute, finish this. So this one, just how we already do, we already done. KFC, FK, so CK is wrong. Now look at page 1 at the bottom of your right hand side. Object placed in front of a concave mirror. The distance of the object is less than focal length. What are the characteristics of the image form? Okay, so of course we can refer back to our ray diagram, or we just draw out a line here, a normal line to the principal axis. Then we use our ruler to measure the F, then so that we can determine the C. So same distance. You draw same distance, I must measure with your ruler. And you draw a same distance around here. This is C, this is F. So use your ruler, measure the proper length. No matter how big is it, you just need to know focal length equals to double F to the center. So let's draw K F I. Then C. And we will find out not intersecting. So we extrapolate. And when you see the image is far away from the principal axis, don't forget to extend your principal axis. Then draw your image. Okay, so now this is upright because same direction means upright. We inverted wrong already. Then you can see it's magnified, bigger, smaller, wrong already. And real or virtual. Okay, Chiron give answer. Esther and Ming Hong, I want to ask real or virtual? Yay, Esther. Okay, Jin. Who is Jin? Jin and Peiyu, real or virtual? Real or virtual? Jin. No correct answer. God. Yeah, answer is virtual. Okay, normally upright, it would be virtual. Inverted, only real. Or we look at this. Easy, yes, Chiron. I like your confidence. Okay, behind, this is mirror. Mirror means behind is opaque. Opaque means light cannot pass through. Light cannot pass. But you see image from behind means it's not real and it's virtual. Understand? So when you see this kind of questions, when they ask characteristic, you can memorize or you just draw out KFC. Then you can see everything there. All right. But I can tell you that until today, I also cannot memorize. Every time I need to draw. So my problem. I cannot memorize. But I have friends and students, they can memorize. I teach so many years already. I really see someone, they can memorize the characteristic. I cannot, so I always KFC, done. Right now, since you know the mirror already, then the lens would be easier lah. Okay, so this one is the same. Let's draw. Dum, dum, dum. This is lens, means transparent, means the light will pass through. Just now, the light reflect back. The light reflect back, reflect, can see reflect. But this one pass through. So first of all, K, F. Okay, this F using the F in front. This F using the F in front because it will diverge. The light will be diverge. So it will extend like that. Means the light use the focus in front of the lens to diverge out. Okay, to diverge out. Then the C of the lens is the center here. So from the tip directly goes through center. So for C, it will direct, because this is transparent, so it will directly pass through. Can you see that? So where is the image? Of course, here. And you can see they are in the same direction. So we sit at this upright. Yes, very good. So it is since it's upright, it is virtual. Then you can see the size diminish. And you will see same as the next. Same as the beside one. Okay, this is concave lens. Concave lens. Only got one characteristic. Okay, so next, convex lens. The same thing. KFC. K. Then F. Then C. Then C. C is the center of the lens. C is the center of the lens. Okay, for C for lens is really the center of the lens. And C for mirror is the center of the circle. Maybe you can jot down here. C for lens is the center of lens. C for mirror is the center of circle. And obviously you will see not intersect, so what should we do? Yes, extrapolate. Okay, so where is the image? Here. Where is the image? Here. So this is object, this is image. So it will be VMU. So same as beside. Virtual, magnified, upright. Because same direction, upright. Then you might ask, why this one behind is virtual, this one in front is virtual? I've told you because this is opaque. It suppose cannot form behind. So when it forms behind, it will be virtual. Then this is transparent. The image suppose form behind the lens. So since it's formed in front, it's virtual. So V smaller, bigger than F. V still smaller than F. V still smaller than F, but further from. You can see here, this is I. This is U, and this is V, and this is F. Can you see that? We extrapolate the line, then you will see U, V, F. So if you want to apply your formulas, okay? 1 over F equals to 1 over U plus 1 over V. And we said lah, 1, this is 1 unit. So U is 1. F is 3. 1, 2, 3. F is 3. So what is V? So 1 over V equals to 1 over E equals to 1 over 3 minus 1. And you will get negative 2 over 3. So V equals to negative. Negative 2 over 3. 0.67. 0.67. Why negative? Because the image supposed after or behind the lens. Image supposed behind the lens. Supposed behind. But now it's in front. In front means opposite direction. Behind is positive. In front is negative. Can you get it? Negative 3 over 2. Oh yeah, sorry. Thank you. Yeah, negative 3 over 2. So it will be 3 divided by 2. 1.5. Yeah, so it is negative 1.5. Nah, see? 1.5. Can see? Then you can apply for every IUVF here. You can apply all. Now see? 1.5. This one is not 1.5 because you can see my line saying a bit. When my line is saying a bit, then it will form a little bit different. The place different. Okay, U equals to F. Same thing. Like K. Okay, concave lens, the light will be diverged out. So we'll go up. So we use the F in front. So we use the F in front. But convex lens, it will converge light. So we use the F behind. So we say converge lights. Okay. So now for this one, all converge, the light all converge. So K and F and C. C is center of the lens. Now you can see they cannot converge. So what should we do? We extrapolate. Extrapolate. I believe until now all of you can draw already. You no need wait for me. You can draw everything you want. Then don't forget to write the characteristic. So it's same thing, virtual, magnify, and upright. Then you can check the characteristic next to the lens. They must be the same. You check your image first, then you check is the characteristic same as the next one. Now, same thing, KFC. F, because when we confuse, we ask ourselves, is lens or mirror? Mirror reflects, lens goes through. Lens pass through. Then C. Normally it's more than 2F. So when you cannot get 2F, you adjust your angle again. C. Ta-da! Oh, not here. Blur case here. So this is bigger, so it's upright. Sorry, it's inverted. When it's inverted, it's real. It's supposed to form behind the lens. Magnify, bigger, the size bigger. Magnify. If you want, you also can apply this. 1 over F equals to 1 over U plus 1 over V. F is 1 over 3. U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5 plus 1 over V. Okay, so now what should we do? 1 over V equals to 1 over 3 minus 1 over 5.5. So V equals to 1 over 3 minus bracket over 3 I 1 over 3 minus 1 over 5. Then 1 divided by answer 7.5 unit. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Around there. Okay. Now the same thing, KFC. Okay, I think this two you can draw lah. Then directly we come to the infinity. Infinity also the same thing, FKC. FKC. So the lights pass through. The light pass through F. I also use the 6 grids here. You can see the 6 grids. The 6 grids here. I draw the line. Okay, F. F then K. K means parallel. K means parallel. All right, then center. I use the 6 grids here. I draw the line pass through the center. So when the light passes through the center, it will go straight. Then when the light passes through the F, it will go K. So image will be here. Okay, so image. So the same thing, it will be real, diminish, and inverted. Okay, so this one will be the same as the next. Real, diminish, inverted. This one, the same thing. Real, same size, and inverted. So far, okay. Any questions about this? Okay, if no questions, let's continue to this. Now, so this one you all can draw already lah. F and F to F and to F. Since this is a lens, means the light will pass through it. So this is front. Left hand side is front. Right hand side is back. So the image suppose forms behind, back. But if the image forms in front, then it would be virtual. So K, F, C. So, sorry, I don't have ruler. C. It's here. It's around here. So it will be inverted, when it's inverted, it's real. So C impossible. Then you can see the distance here also shows the enlargement. The further away, the larger the image. So it will be enlarged. Okay. Yay, Chiron. So if 2f, then it will be 2f. The only same size is here. The only same size is either u equals to c or u equals to 2f. All right, so this one, the confusing part is confusing part is here. This is u. This is v. V actually is 26 minus 8. Then they ask for height. If height is 2 cm, what is the height? Object is 2 cm. What is the height of image? This one we need to use yes, magnification. Same as your maths. PA prime divided by PA means object height divided by image. The body. So it will be image height divided by object height. And so, because we only have one height, so we need to get another ratio. So the ratio would be image distance from the lens divided by object distance from the lens. So here we get a ratio. So image height divided by 2 cm equals to image distance 18 divided by 8. Then solve it. We will get 4.5 cm. Okay. So when they ask for height, we will use the linear magnification factor. Or your math is K, linear magnification method. Okay, so conclusion, the formula is this. Not given in the formula list. Image height divided by object height equals to V divided by U. You can write it back here. If here no space, or maybe you write here. M equals to HI over HO equals to V divided by U. V is object. V is image distance, U is object distance. Formula not given. Formula not given. Because they treat this as a common knowledge that you should know from your maths. All right, then next, I think you all can solve that, right? Image distance. So since we got F, we got U, then what is V? So this is U, this is U and F. So 1 over F equals to 1 over U divided by Q. So 1 over 10 equals to 1 over 15 plus 1 over V. 1 over V equals to 1 over 10 minus 1 over 15. V equals to 1/10. 0.1 minus 1/50. So 30. So we will get 30. Okay, so the calculation quite simple. This one is given in formula list. This is not. Right, so now next, which one is correct refraction? Let's check KFC and FK. 3 light ray. KF looks like correct. C, okay. F, nothing. This one, C. When it passes through C, it must go straight. So this one wrong. Then which one? This two is correct. But since they say refraction means got bending. This is not bend, so answer is A. Okay. So KFC done. Remember, KFC is can eat one. CK is wearing one, cannot. It not touch, no touch. No touch me. Touch her. Oh, not touching. Okay, then next. Now see, this is a concave mirror, and the pencil image become larger magnification. Yay, Kai An. Yay, thank you. Very good. Man is here. Oh, okay. I didn't give you the man. I gave. Here. Wait, I will look at this lah. 2015. No, man. See the line not touch. You see A. I'm woman. You can call me girl too. Not touch. Oh, okay. Consider touch lah. Some drawing they really refracts from the beginning of the lens. From the beginning of the lens. For me, I feel it must bend starts here. Okay, some they accept refract starts from the beginning of the lens. But for me, I like to draw like this. Okay. So this is name the phenomenon reflection of. We got reflection of three things: water, sound, and light. So we must tell the reflection of light. The image is upright and magnified. State another characteristic. So obviously it is number 1, magnify, virtual, upright. So it is virtual. If you are not sure, you can draw out lah. Concave FC. Something. All right. Can we write refraction A? I prefer you all write off light because they didn't tell any words about lights. So I prefer you all mention lights. All right. This one, state the light phenomenon. If they mention light phenomenon, okay, just reflect. Reflect because it's a mirror. Oh, refract. Sorry, cannot. Sorry, I didn't see properly. Cannot use refract. Cannot, because this is a mirror. Mirror means it will reflect. The light reflect means bounce back. Now look at our ray diagram. Now the light bounce back. Actually, the light bounce back. Just they cannot intersect here, then only we extrapolate it. Then for lens, it will pass through. So for lens, it's refraction. For mirror, always reflection. All right, so you can see this one. This is the lens. Now, you can see a lens. So when they mention light phenomenon, okay, then you no need mention light. So this is refraction. So the same thing here. Focal length is f. Suggest a suitable position to place the object and produce an inverted image. Inverted image. So we can check back our ray diagram. Inverted. Nah, it's in between f and 2f. So we can say in between f and 2f. Yeah, exam can write like this because FUV is the international symbol. So you can just write the symbol. Okay, then another formula for magnification is for the telescope is FO over FE. This one, I think I will make another class. Okay, I'll make another class for two lenses. Okay, then next, explain how a magnified image of a man is formed. Okay, this is the only explanation for Marks 1. No need to write sentence, but you can just draw. Since it's a mirror, they just mentioned it's a curved mirror. So you must mention this curved mirror is concave or convex. Always draw the normal at the center, principal axis first. Then we can check back our ray diagram. See, it's very close, then you can see it enlarged, magnified. Now, very close and enlarged, so it will be a concave mirror. So it will be a concave mirror. Why not convex? Because convex always diminish, smaller. The image always smaller, always. Only got one, no matter how close or how far it is, always diminish. Okay, so concave, then we draw small enough, opaque at the back. So here is F, same distance C. Make sure you measure. So you can see this is U, this is U, then this is F. So what should we do? Yes, KFC. KFC cannot intersect, extrapolate. Then let's label. This is object. When you draw this, you want to label as concave mirror or not, doesn't matter. From here, we can know it's concave mirror because the curvy part is point to the object. So this is the image. So how to get your marks? Very easy. When you draw your mirror, 1 mark, Then KF, object 2 marks, KFC 3 marks, image 4 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so only mirror when they want you to explain, you no need write sentence, just draw the diagram. Then curved mirror are always used as security mirror. So if you look at the diagram, actually it is convex mirror. So you can jot down. This is a security mirror. Then this enlargement, this is a makeup mirror. Makeup mirror or dental mirror. Okay, so now the type of concave mirror, curved mirror must be. By the way, when you answer these 10 marks questions, you will see PQRS and 4 characteristics. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, give me 5 more minutes, then we can finish. Okay, so now when we answer, I prefer you will draw the table with 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now characteristic is, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 characteristics. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 is your choice. So always make sure you got 3 columns, 5 rows, 6 rows. Yay, very good, Kayan. So number 1, type of curved mirror. Type of curved mirror. And remember, follow the sequence. Size of curved mirror, size of curved mirror. Position of curved mirror, position of curved mirror. And characteristic of coated material for reflection. Or you just write characteristic of coated material enough. Okay. Then the choice, convex or concave. So obviously is convex. Size of the mirror, obviously big. Position, high. Characteristic of the coated one, strong, better. So yes, answer is S. So directly you write S. Okay, so choice, jot down this one. Convex, big, high, strong reflector. Reason, convex, so that this one, diminish the image, actually means it will have wider field of view. We say image, you can write two or three reasons. I encourage you all write 2 or 3 reasons. Image is diminish. Also mean wider field of view, can cover more angle. Size of curved mirror, we always say big size means can reflect more lights. Or we can say the image is brighter. Since they just say effective security mirror, okay, we cannot use back. Oh, it would be effective security mirror. Cannot use back the words in the questions. These words cannot be your reason. Cannot. If not, you cannot get marked. So for example, position of curved mirror high, and you say effective security mirror. Okay, sorry, no marks. Okay, so we cannot repeat the questions. The reason cannot repeat from the questions. Always highlight up the words we cannot use. Okay, so high position so that no blockage. Well, actually, you can repeat back the upper reason, wider field of view. The last, strong reflector so that can reflect more light. Or you want to write back, the image is brighter, also can. The image is bright. Okay, then next, S, Y. You just repeat, it is convex mirror, big size. You just summarize out, summarize back this. At high position and stronger reflector. Then, okay, then how is examiner marked? We will treat this 10 marks, right? 10 marks means this is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so number 10, let's say if we get 1, 3 wrong, but 4 correct, 5 correct, but 6 wrong, and then 7 correct, 8 correct. The choice is wrong, but you still can get the 10 marks because we will look at the pair. See, 2 correct, 1 mark. Either one correct, 1. Either one correct, 1. So as long as you get one of each pair correct, then you will automatically get the 10 marks. So this one we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 of 10. Okay, so I encourage you all make more than one reasons in your choices, so that, let's say number 1, this one wrong. Okay, number 2, reason number 2 you get correct, you still get the second marks. Understand? So more reasons as insurance can save your marks. Okay, so the rest you will do, I will release the answer tomorrow. Okay, is there any questions? If you have questions, you can stay back, or you want to ask personally through WhatsApp, also can. Or any questions you feel very hard to understand, or you feel the books you buy, the answer is wrong, you also can WhatsApp me personally. Got more free class. Got. Just not sure. Oh, attendance. Yeah. Thank you. Not sure when is it. If you have any questions, any chapter you want to revise, also can WhatsApp me. Then it will give me idea to hold the class. Most of the time, I will make it on Monday night. I free. Oh, here, attendance. Attendance. Please help me fill up, then you can leave already. Or if you have any questions, you can stay back. Okay. There's your name, your full name, your surname in your class. Start with your surname in your class ABCD, and survey form, very fast one. The form need permission. What? Need permission? How? Permission. Welcome. Bye-bye. If you have done, you can leave now. Thank you. Bye-bye. Need permission. Permission. Why need permission? Why need permission? Good night. I need permission. Only got 19, but just now we got 23. Welcome, bye-bye. Oh, MOE. Need MOE account. Need MOE account.
Sure.
Yes.
I show you something. Because my reference book it shows like this.
I make you as a host. Call.
Then
you show me.
Oh, I on my camera. Okay.
Camera.
This one. Can you see me?
No. Wait, I show video. Okay, yes.
So this one, for this question, the image is the image length is lesser than f.
No, is it's lesser than f. Correct. Yeah.
But my reference book, it shows image length bigger than f.
Oh, because the object distance is different.
Object.
Here. See, my object distance is very close to the lens, but your reference book, your object distance very close to the focus. Can you see that? Okay, let me show you. Let's say the object is here. Then
F.
KFC. C. See, when it close to F, then when you extrapolate, it will be longer.
Mm-hmm.
It will be longer. So see, the V will be very, very, very long away from F. Can see that? Because the object distance close to lens or close to F. Close to F, it will be really enlarged a lot. Then close to lens, the angle make it enlarge a little bit only.
So this object distance affects the
Image distance.
Okay.
So doesn't really matter V is bigger than F or what. In SPM stage, they just want you to tell image magnified or diminished. That's it.
Okay. Thank you, teacher.
Welcome.
Good night.
Good night. Bye bye.
Bye bye.